PS-16 naval base at yung dockyard po ng ating Philippine Navy. No? Nagpapalipat po sila ng, ayan po, na-recover po namin yan at meron kaming extrajudicial confession ng mga tao doon sa base na sila po ang naglagay niyan. Okay? At nung hinuli sa NAIA, kakatapos po lamang nila, kakabalik lamang sa Maynila, kakapagpalipad lamang po nila ng drone. Ayan po. Post tayo, panoorin natin kung paano nagpalipad ng drone. Sinabi ko sa inyo noon that meron pang continuing operations kami. Kaya hindi kami masyadong nagpapa-interview, hindi kami nagbibigay ka ng information sa inyo. Yung iba sa inyo nagtatampo na, hindi kami talaga nagsasalita. But then, they are saying, there are critics who are saying that sinisensationalize namin itong kasong ito. Alam nyo mismo, mga kasama, na hindi na kami nagpaunlak. Si General Browner, si Secretary Boying, hindi na kami nagpaunlak ng anumang interview to operation taken on November 2, 2024. But then continuously, ganyan ang ginagawa nila doon sa Palawan. Hanggang doon sa arestuhin sila pagkagaling sa Palawan. Inaresto na sila sa NAIA.
Who were caught engaged in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance operations, or ISR. These individuals were caught by a joint team from the NBI, from the AFP, from the Philippine National Police, and from the Bureau of Investigation. So two of them were caught in NAIA, Terminal 3, Pasay City. One of them was caught in Intramuros, Manila. The other one in Binondo, and the last one in Dumaguete. So they were all apprehended on two different dates, 24 January and 25 January.